We'll guide you through how to set up Streamlabs overlays for OBS. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Log in if you haven't already, then head to their overlay. Here, you'll find a variety of overlay options that you can use to enhance your stream's appearance. Browse through the categories and select an overlay that suits your style. Once you've found one you like, click on it to view more details, and then hit the download button. The overlays usually come as a zip file, so make sure to extract them to a folder on your computer. Now, open OBS Studio and go to the scene collection you'd like to add the overlay to. Click on the plus sign in the Sources box to add a new source, and select Image or Media Source, depending on the type of overlay you've downloaded. Name your new source for easy reference. Then, browse to the folder where you extracted the overlay files and select the image or video file you want to use. Adjust the size and position of the overlay within your scene by clicking and dragging it around the preview window. If it's a video overlay, make sure to check the loop option, so it repeats during your stream. You might also want to consider adding an alert box from Streamlabs to your scene for notifications like new followers or donations. You can do this by adding a browser source and pasting the URL from your Streamlabs account. Customize the alert box settings to fit your stream's theme. And don't forget to test the alerts to ensure they're working correctly. Once everything looks good, make sure to save your scene collection. You're all set to start streaming with your new Streamlabs overlays in OBS. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.